Came in here because I heard some weird noise coming from this sink.
He doesn't like it too much. Boy, he stinks.
This is his second bath ever in his entire
Mommy's
life.
got you. No, Mama's got you. No, no, no.
And
Yeah.
he's not liking it too
I'm in
much.
trouble keeping you. There you go. Now this is. He just smelled so bad I couldn't even let him go. He has a doctor appointment, I think Monday or Tuesday. So we don't want him stinking.
No.
He's been rolling around in the grass and playing outside. Boy, you know what? The last bath, I mean, his tail, everything was completely inside the sink.
Yeah.
And now, just a week later,
He's like standing up.
he's standing up, yep, and his tail's sticking out.
Yeah.
He's really gotten taller.
Boy.
He's eating everything we give him. Seems like I should be giving him more food, but, you know,
Till the vet says so.
I'll wait till the vet says so. But, come here. Get this. I think we're just about done, buddy. Here, check you. Here, good boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Mama didn't need a shower. Well, you know, whatever.
It's an Arnie shower.
I don't mind. All right, now I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna try. Whoa, wait a second, bud. Here, wait. We're gonna wrap you up, sweetie, and then you can be done. There, you can be done, big boy. I know, sweetie. I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love you. Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha. There.
Okay.
Oh, you
bath
smell
number
good.
2
You
in the
smell
books.
good. You smell good. Yes, you do. You smell so good.
Bath number 2 in the
He's
books.
such a sweet baby. There. Are you dry yet? Are you dry? Where's your towel? Where's your towel? Hey, Arnie boy, where's your towel? Come here. Look. Chase. You look clean. You look clean. Are you chewing on my towel? Hey.